One sunny afternoon, Sammy the squirrel was playing in the meadow. He sniffed the flowers, chased butterflies, and peeked into a patch of tall grass. Suddenly, tickle, tickle, his nose began to wiggle. Uh-oh, Sammy thought. What's happening? Just then, Dr. Owl swooped down. Looks like your body's getting ready for a sneeze. A sneeze? Sammy asked. Dr. Owl nodded. Inside your nose are tiny guards called cilia. They watch out for dust, pollen, or pepper that might sneak in. When they spot an intruder, they send a message to your brain. Alert! Cleanup needed. Sammy's eyes grew wide. And then, your brain orders your chest muscles to take a deep breath, and achoo! You blast the invader out at super speed. A sneeze can be faster than a cheetah running. Sammy laughed. So sneezes are like superhero blasts? Exactly, Dr. Owl smiled. They protect your nose and lungs, keeping you healthy. That's why you should always cover your sneeze with your elbow to stop germs from flying to your friends. Sammy wiggled his whiskers. Thanks, Dr. Owl. My sneeze isn't just funny, it's a superpower. And off he ran, feeling proud of his amazing sneeze defense team. Next time you feel a sneeze coming on, remember Sammy and his superhero sneeze team. Your body is smart, strong, and always looking out for you. So cover that sneeze, giggle if you like, and know you're blasting away the bad stuff, just like a true nose defender.